Wanna love you.
Me think you did that go. Me think you. No.
Alors il faut sourire, hein. Souris. Smile from your book. Smile for your book.
Yeah.
Smile. Right, like this.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Chantal, on you read a little bit please. Tyler say morning.
Morning, Dave.
Sarah say morning.
Mama,
No,
are we
nothing?
going to the beach again?
It's
Where are we
raining.
going?
We're going to the museum of one of the most famous men in Jamaica that died.
Oh.
His name is Bob Marley and Grandpa know him. Papi love Bob Marley music.
That's our puppy?
Your papi.
Oh.
You guys, it's the first time I'm going to Bob Marley Museum. So I decided this trip that I would make that possible. My husband come all the way from France and go to Bob Marley Museum before me. So, well, should I say probably 50% of Jamaicans have never visited?
Yes.
How crazy is that? But anyway, it's raining cats and dog. But since it's indoors, I decided that, okay, let's make the trip instead of just staying home today doing nothing. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna meet up with one of my high school friends, but that's also indoors, so I'm not going anywhere too far today. But at least we are getting something done, nothing too hackling. So yeah, baby's in the front, Shan is driving as usual. Babe, say morning to the faves. Shan, say morning to the faves.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. I mean afternoon.
So yeah, you guys, I have cover over Sarah's head and we're heading out. We're going to Bob Marley Museum and let's see what else we'll throw in throughout the day. And we live, hear me, we live. Shan live close enough to Bob Marley Museum, so it's not a long drive. So yeah, here's my girl outfit of the day. My girl is wearing shorts and shoes
Look
today.
at
Hello.
mine.
And Tyler is wearing shorts today too. What, Sarah? Anyway, you guys, and Mel take out her hair, wash it, and is in wig today, shawty. Hey.
Oops, see there? That green
Right here, kind of slant the camera so you catch it. Right. Yes, we're entering. I feel nice. Bob Marley Museum. I'm coming here for the first time.
So you get the tickets in here, Mel.
Oh.
Because
Oh.
they give you a tour.
Will we have a tour guide or?
Yes, you will have a tour.
Yeah, somebody living.
You guys, we finished the museum. The museum was really good, and now we are hanging out at Barbican Beach Bar. Barbican Beach Bar is located. What's the name of this road?
East King's House Road.
Barbican Beach Bar is on East King's House Road. It's a really nice Friday night hangout spot. They do karaoke here on a Friday night. They do drink, they do food, and it's a really nice spot. I'm gonna show you guys what outside look like. So if you guys are driving past, then you guys have to hang out at Barbican Beach Bar, especially on a Friday night. Hold on, wait. Here is open from Monday to Friday?
Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, every day.
Every day from 4
o'clock
to...
late.
Okay, so here is open from every day. Here is open every day from 4 o'clock until late. So good hangout spot, especially in the evenings or in the nights after work, on weekends. Barbican Beach Bar. The food is good. I can attest to the jerk pork and the wings, and I'm definitely going to try jerk chicken tonight. So Barbican Beach Bar, good hangout spot. That's where we are right now. Let's give you guys, it's giving you guys a kind of Caribbean beach feel, like it named Barbican Beach Bar. So it's giving you the coconut tree thatches and a lot of seating and good parking space. So this is, you guys can see behind me.
You have an upstairs.
And we have an upstairs too, and they're setting up right now for karaoke. So yeah, good hangout spot, you guys.
Can you have park?
Move here. Hold on.
You reach fast.
Hello. Good night.
I'm a hugger.
How are you? Hi, Tala. How are you doing? You're fine? Hello.
Hi there.
It's Domino's.
Okay.
6, 7
Ready? They should have just bought yesterday.
You know how to say Domino's?
I don't know what she's doing. She's screaming. You guys, we had such a long afternoon. I am so tired. You guys see my eyes? I got up early this morning to get the vlog ready. and I've been up since about 5 o'clock working and getting stuff done and looking after the family. And we went to Bob Marley Museum, but unfortunately we couldn't film inside Bob Marley Museum, but it was a really good history knowing about the life of Bob Marley, how he lived, how he died, what happened leading up to it, all the politics involved. And you know, he was such a gentle soul. It says the good die young, and I when I finish hearing his story and his life, I wish this man was still alive. He's really a legend, man. The man is just charming and just loving. He's just likable. I'll do a collage of the pictures that we get to take on the outside. We were allowed to take on the outside to show you guys what outside looked like, but it was really a nice museum. I recommend all Jamaicans who has never visited to go and visit to really learn about the life of Bob Marley. And if you're overseas and want to visit Jamaica, it's definitely a stop. I highly recommend you guys visiting the Bob Marley Museum.
They're just drinking some water, you know? Wait, you just have to smell it.
Something falling on the screen and dropping stains and moving. And then one of my friends from high school stopped by to visit. We ate and I now left Babe there, and Chanel is heading there. Chanel boyfriend is there. So Babe is out just having a good time, while I, on the other hand, is tired. So I came home with the kids. Tyler is already sleeping. That's how tired he is. He'll fall asleep. Sarah is here cooing, calling, making noise. Where she's seen no sleep inside because she's been sleeping all evening. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the little footage we have today. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and of course we'll see you guys. Bye guys. Another day in JA. Right, Sarah?